exchange. My experience with work exchange. Sarah Chen.
In recent years, working holiday has become a very wonderful and popular way to travel. It means you work for employers for free pay. You'll get free lodging and meals. It was a really wonderful choice to immerse in local culture and also save a lot of traveling expenses. Last summer, my friends and I went to Thailand to working holiday. After a series of littering, we finally decided to work on B&B, which ran from Japanese couple. Actually, I was really nervous because I never been to China before and I was not good at Japanese. But thankfully, with my English speaking skills and Japanese business skills, I can talk with Japanese. But I didn't adapt at Japanese principle and the heavy jobs. In the early morning, I had to do works and clean up the two B&B. The work include mopping and washing the floor, cleaning up the kitchen, and even brush the toilet. Not even more to say that I had to do all the job by myself. Not even more to say my boss was a picky people. He asked me they were not allowed even one hair anywhere, so I felt exhausted in my first days. But day by day, I was familiar with my jobs and do it easier and faster. And I could deal with Japanese principle and character. And even more, I made some new friends. Last weekend, my friends and I guide our new friends to temple and monuments in Thailand. Although we were not familiar with each other's language, we communicate with body language happily. And last night in Thailand, my boss treated us to drink. And we were chatting all night. It was a really memorable experience. After this summer vacation, I learned a lot. First, my self-discipline was improved, and so does my working skill. Second, I could dare to talk with foreigners. In the past, I was unconfident of speaking English, but after meeting friendly Japanese, I surprisingly found that whether they can speak English or not, they are glad to communicate with you by any ways. I even debate one of my Japanese roommates by English. Last but not least, nothing is impossible. If you really want to do, then just do it, or you will hesitate it. After this experience, I want to change it in a further. I know that changing is a big change for me, but I'll try my best. If you want to change yourself, be more brave, or just make some new friends, then just apply for it. It's a matter of you.